Hi everyone, Sylvia here and welcome to my Spin Rewriter review. So guys, if you are some kind of content creator or if you're running a website, write blogs, you know how much time and energy it takes to create fresh, unique content. At the same time, you will understand the importance of delivering and producing that fresh one-of-a-kind content in order for your blogs, website, whatever you are running, for that to be ranking high on Google. So we know this is like, we don't have to talk over the importance of, having that together, right? So what do? You either work day and night writing your articles, writing your blogs, creating fresh content for your website over and over again. It's going to take you a lot of time, effort, sleepless nights, not looking very healthy, losing on your beauty sleep. Or do you get yourself a writer? Spinner. So spinner, they call it. There's many names they come up with, but something to spin your content, a tool, a software that will simplify the whole process and do the work for you and save you tons of time. So this software I am promoting today is amazing, and I am extremely happy and proud to promote it because it has been on the market for over a decade. Okay, this one is they call it Spin Rewriter 12, so it's like number 12 update, and they have thrown a bunch of cool features where you can actually include like copyright-free videos and graphics into your article or whatever you would be writing, whatever you would be creating. So we will dive in, we'll check out this amazing Spin Writer properly, and this one is a very smart one because I'll show you on the sales page. I can't even say it off the top of my head, but we'll be going through the sales page properly. But what it does, it produces this very readable content that like human-like, not some kind of gibberish, because some spin writers are just a waste of time, and when you use them you actually end up being frustrated because you have to really check the content and rewrite it, and you end up just wasting your money and wasting your time because you have to just do it yourself. Anyhow, but this one is quality, so let's dive in. Alright, so we are here on the sales page. So this is the actual sales page where you can try it out for free. This is the cool thing about it. We'll be going through the prices, but guys, they have this offer now. It's gone live. I mean, it's live from today, and it will be live till the 11th. Let me check. I believe 11th of October. Let me see. Some people have no respect for time. This is me. Yeah, so 11th of October, Monday. That's the coming Monday, right? So it's the last day of the launch. After launch, the free trial, 5 days free trial will be gone. All of the bonuses will be gone. The special offer will be gone. So if you want to buy it, guys, I would really urge you to hurry up, because they do it like I believe every year. They relaunch the software with some new features added, and they have this like launch period special offer. Right, but we'll talk about the prices later on. Now let's just go through the sales page, and if you wish to purchase this software, and if you want to really try it for 5 days, you can try it for 5 days for free, and then they will email you with the offer, whether you'd like to buy it or not, right? So yeah, you may just grab the link below my video. It's gonna take you to this sales page, and then yeah, this is the guy who's been running this company for over 10 years. So friendly. His name is Aaron. Let me just introduce you to him and play like very shortly this video here. So okay, come on, load up. We don't have the time, because if I have too many tabs open.
Hey, I'm Aaron, but enough about me. Let me show you the software, because that's what you're really interested in.
Okay, I just wanted you to just kind of like, see his face and hear his voice, and he's so like full of energy, and this man. Anyhow, so it says here on the sales page, so the only article spinner that truly understands the meaning of your content. And this is the thing, it really like produces logical content that adds up, not some nonsense that, it makes like, that you just think like, what in the world is that? Like, is it from Mars, or is it from Venus, or is it from Earth? So because they use with the ENL, that stands for emulated natural language technology. So they use this technology. The spin writer, this rewriter, is the perfect tool. Because of that technology, is the perfect tool for SEO specialists that need unique human quality content to rank higher on Google. Okay, if you click on this one, you can try for free for 5 days, guys. And then, okay, so why would you want to pick, SpinWriter 12? Because with this tool, you will start ranking higher for more keywords. They have like so many synonyms, like a crazy number of synonyms, and it's going to create this beautiful original content each time you run it through the spin. So you already know the quality. That's what they say. You already know the quality unique content does wonders for your Google rankings. You also know that such content takes ages to write, and it costs you an arm and a leg, if not 2 arms and 2 legs, if you hire someone to write it for you. SpinWriter saves you both time and money. It takes a single article and turns it into dozens of 300% unique human quality articles. All these unique articles will let you rank higher and for more profitable keywords. Okay. And there is so much more information on the sales page, guys. I really encourage you to check everything out. And as you can see, if I scroll back up, you'll have the pricing here, testimonials, like thousands of testimonials, because it's from people who have been using this tool for over 10 years. Okay, and they're the return rates are very low, so the customers are super satisfied with the product, and it says it all, right? If the return rate is so low. And here you reach out for help. You'll have so many frequently asked questions answered for you, and the blog, so you will see the whole history from when they started. Check out the sales page properly. It's a phenomenal sales page. You have the pricing here, all of that. But anyhow, let me just take you through more of the features. So this is obvious, because the more articles you produce, the faster you'll start ranking, and you need a lot of articles to pick up to really start ranking on Google. So, and then more keywords that you rank for, because it will give you so many keywords, and then you never know for what kind of keywords Google is looking for. So the more keywords you come up with, the better for your ranking, for your SEO. So more free organic traffic, and obviously more money. Traffic is money, right? So what you do with this, how you're going to use this, so you'll just generate up to 1,000 articles in 3 simple steps. So step number 1, you paste your article into the editor. So yeah, right there, right where you see enter your article here. Then step 2, use one-click rewrite to turn your whole article into something completely unique. And step 3, hit export to generate up to 1,000 variations of your original article. And then as you can see here, export unique articles, and you'll just paste it into your blogs or on your website, and it will give it to you in either Word or PDF version. Okay, that is absolutely amazing. And this is that's the demo. You can play with it. Just use this like live demo. You will see how it changes, how it spins the text. And here's all of the features, additional features. But if I was to read everything out for you guys, it would just take me an hour to make this review. And here is the demo. I actually played the demo for you because no one will explain the product better than the guy who has actually put it together, Aaron, and he explains beautifully. So we'll play that video. And yeah, and he says, like, Spin Rewriter is SEO industry's first choice spinner. So all of these companies use the Spin Writer. And yeah, and here will be the prices will be, I'll take you to the prices maybe here, but just try the Spin Writer for free. Click on this one, it's going to give you the 5 days free trial, but that's the prices though. So that's the price plans they have. So during the launch, and come on. Okay, so here we have it. So during the launch, okay, you get free access. So you get like everything for free. You get to try it for 5 days, and then only for the whole year you pay $77 a year, because normally it's $47 a month. So that and for the year they would normally charge you $197, but now they do this offer during the launch. Remember, till the 11th of October. They do this $77 a year, and you get a bunch of bonuses as well. And I guess that's a no-brainer to go for this one. Or if you will use it for years and years to come, just get the lifetime. That's the $497, so almost $500. Okay. So now let's go back and watch the demo. I'll play it for you now. Okay, so here we have it. It's about 9 minutes long, guys. So just listen up and yeah, concentrate. See what you think about that. Okay, 1 sec.
Hey, it's Aaron here again, and in Spin Rewriter. In our main video, I've already shown you some of the features quite quickly, but in this video, I'd like to take the time and really dive into what Spin Rewriter can do for you.
Okay, as you can see,
so,
guys.
Let's get started. This is where it all begins when you want to spin your articles. We're now in step 1 of the process. The process itself has 3 steps. In the first step, we enter the article that we want to spin. Then in step 2.
Okay, actually, I don't think this is gonna work. I think it's my internet. It's just slowing down. I wanted to, just play this demo here for you, but yeah, just go ahead and go to below my video, and you're gonna end up on the sales page. On this sales page, you will find this. Play the full demo. Definitely, before buying it. Okay, what I'll do at the end, we've gone through the prices, so just make the decision for yourself and check out the whole sales page properly, all of the features and all of that, whether this is something for you. If that's something for you, go for the 5 days trial and see if you like it, right? Yeah, so the link is right below my video. And guys, I just want to like bring your attention to this video I made on bonuses. So if you want to pick up some freebies, go to that video that I made on the concept of bonuses, what I like personally think about that. And then yeah, under that video we'll have a link to a website where you register for free and you pick as many free products as you want to in whatever category, niche you wish to pick it up. You know, you can do so regardless of whether you choose to get the spin rewriter from me or not. It really doesn't matter to me, to be brutally honest. You know, I'm just sharing this website because people think like, you know, it's so difficult to get free products. I don't know if they think so, but you know, a lot of reviewers would just kind of bribe you with bonuses that you have, you know, in order to get them, you have to buy it from them. But you know, don't worry about that. Get your bonuses, and from that link, you know, below that video, and whether you want to buy it from me or not will like entirely depend on whether you actually like my review. I know my review has been a bit of a mess. I mean, I was really trying to play the demo, but hey, it didn't work out. Nevertheless, you have the demo on the sales page. Just go below, and yeah, you know, watch it for yourself in your own time, peace and quiet, harmony. All right. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's been such a chaotic review. Never mind. I think, you know, I'll keep it. It's kind of fun. Okay. Take care, guys. Until the next time, and you know, stay blessed. Bye.